So today I'm reviewing the micro needle cartridges that you need to replace every time you use micro needling, like you do it on yourself at home. This is how they look. You can use this on the Dr. Pen. I don't know if they're compatible with other devices, so I recommend you to do your research on that. But like I said, I don't have my own Dr. Pen, though I would love one. They're like, it's a little pricey, but even micro needling sessions in general, if you go to an esthetician, it's like more than $200. And to see results, it's not like a one, like maybe your skin will feel glowy, but if you have like I do here, I have scarring, like deep acne scarring, it's gonna take kind of like I can't say how much you should do microneedling, but I do recommend you to do at least once a month, and it's not going to show results like your acne scars are not going to be immediately gone right away. This takes time, and just consistently going to it, and that's why people rather do it at home, though you do have to be like aware and make sure you do all the safety precautions when doing anything that involves with needles in your house, because microneedling is basically stabbing a lot of little needles around your skin to damage it, so it like forces it to produce collagen. I'm pretty sure, but don't quote me on that if I'm wrong. But here's the thing, like you can change the cartridges. There's a lot in here, and I like how they're individually packed, so everything's sanitary about that, because you do need to be very sanitary with these. Like I said, they're puncturing your skin. Even when you do microneedling in general, you need to be like sanitize, like taking really good of your skin, clean it really well before you even start. But yeah, it has like how many in here? 3, 4, 12 in here, and it is Dr. Pen, even though like the product page says it's not, as it shows right here. Hopefully you guys didn't see that barcode, but overall, I would recommend it, especially if you want to buy your own micro needling machine. You do have to be buying cartridges, whatever they're called, and you can't be like reusing the same one. Like once you use it, you gotta throw it away. So if you're gonna, this will last you, honestly, if you do it once a month, it lasts you a year, and for the price, it's pretty good. So yeah, definitely would recommend it. I'm looking into doing it myself because, like I said, it's pricey to do it with an esthetician. Like yeah, they know what they're doing, but it's just pricey at the end. So if you do the work and do the knowledge, like research the proper way to do it, then yeah, I definitely would recommend you guys to invest in cartridges. I can't say it right, because you need to, in order to keep doing the micro needling like once a month. I don't know if you can do it more, but I would say and it'll last you a while. Like once a month, it's gonna be a whole year, and then you have to buy more of these, because the machine itself is enough, and then after that you have to buy this. And I think there's like a lot of other stuff, but like I said, I definitely recommend you to research everything before you decide to do that at your own home. Hi, I go under the name of Sweet Dream, and I do review videos for fun. I review products that I'm gonna be using in my own house or for myself, that whether that be skincare or anything like that, and or if it's gonna be for a family member that I want to give it to. Just letting you know, some of these products I review, it's either between I bought the product myself or the product was gifted to me by the brand. I'm just letting you know so you're self-aware. And then the link down below takes you to Amazon. I am an Amazon affiliate. So if you purchase through my link, I may get a commission at no cost to you. So I'm just letting you know, so you're aware of that. And that link does take you straight to Amazon if you're on the phone and you click on it, it's going to take you straight to if you have the app downloaded on Amazon, it's going to take you straight there. And like I said, I just review stuff for fun, and I'm really grateful for doing this. If you want to see more, I do post as much as I can, and just like and follow and subscribe.